Gate East, exit for the Whitechapel Gallery.
Contemporary. Okay, we just left Aldgate East. There's Jack. Jack the Chipper. Aldgate East Station, and we're going east. We're looking for Brick Lane. I must admit, I like this east side of London. Around the Whitechapel area, it's more multicultural.
5 again.
I think this is Brick Lane, I'm not sure. Just check. Yeah. Now, I just spent an hour and a half walking around the tower, so I'm in need for a feed, I'm in need for a pint, and I just want to sit down and check out the market here as well. I don't know what's up here, so let's have a look. Nice bit of graffiti on the walls. It looks like there's Hindi written up here. Certainly, I reckon a few Pakistani folk live around here. Yeah.
We don't have problem, but we know there are problems.
The rest of us are
Bangladeshi. Where's the market? It's a very Muslim area, to be honest. I'm not surprised I haven't seen a pub It wouldn't make any money. Curry Bazaar, Bangladeshi cuisine. Look at that. 5-star rated restaurant on Brick Lane. Beautiful. What? That guy didn't know what to make of me. I am the only person I've seen with a GoPro in London. I said hello to him and he just stared at me. It's just not done to talk to strangers here. As an Aussie, that's just a bit weird. Someone says hello, you say hello. Well, unless you're under 35 or 30, then you just think, what the hell's he saying to me? Here we go, market. This place will be packing on the weekend, I reckon. But it is Monday afternoon. And all of a sudden we're transiting over into Shoreditch. Just one little street makes a whole difference. What have we got here? Mr. Sausage. The big one. Lovely. Tibet kitchen. Buffalo wings. Greek. This place, so much vinyl. But I'm not even going to shop because my luggage came out at Heathrow all banged up. There's no way I'll get vinyl back to Australia.
Cardio.
Okay, let's see what's up here. Heading north again on Brick Lane. I think that area behind me was the core of, well, a core of the Bangladeshi and Muslim community. Seems to be transiting a bit here to something a little bit different. Brick Lane Jazz Festival, 26th of April. That sounds good. Very edgy over here. Shoreditch High Street. Yeah, I don't think I'll go down there.
It's still a reasonable time to drive back.
Shoreditch High Street down there, but I'm going to continue up here because the Brick Lane Vintage Market's up here, apparently. Or maybe we're in it. But I'm not interested in buying anything. Brick Lane Bookshop. Okay, there you go, book lovers. My suitcase is full, so my shopping has been reached in London. I've still got Singapore and Bali to go yet. Yeah, top spot for nice leather jackets, vintage clothes, art, edgy shit. But no pubs.
That looks good.
This is Coco. Bloody hell. Look at that. Nice. Whatever shop this is, awesome. So this north side's more vintage and foodie, and the southern end is more Bangladeshi curries, all that kind of stuff. Wow. Across the road we've got another French restaurant.